Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're having some Wingstop, but before I get started, I'd like to show you guys my brand new package I got from HelloFresh. If you're not familiar with HelloFresh, it is a meal delivery service. They offer so many recipes to choose from each week, and you get the fresh ingredients delivered straight to your door, which is super convenient. They offer low-carb meals, vegetarian and pescatarian, so they cater to everybody. And on the website, you can customize everything from how many people you're going to be serving to how many meals you want to receive, so they are super flexible. HelloFresh takes out all the annoying parts about cooking at home, like grocery shopping and meal planning. Everything you need comes in meal kits so that you can create your delicious meal, and the best part is that everything is portioned, so you're not going to be wasting any food at all. So this is what we're going to be having today: the chicken over garlic parmesan spaghetti, which looks like this. All the ingredients you need comes in this little bag, and here it is. You get your chicken breast, tomatoes, spaghetti, your cheese. In the back it tells you how to make everything step by step, and it is very detailed. It tells you how many tablespoons and how long to cook everything, so that is great. I'm going to go ahead and jump on this voiceover and tell you guys a little bit more about HelloFresh. HelloFresh's selection of tasty extras is getting bigger and better every week, featuring great breakfasts and lunches, additional protein, savory sides, and even desserts. They make living healthy easier with many low-cal, carb-smart, vegetarian, and pescatarian options every week, plus every recipe is packed with fresh produce sourced directly from farmers. They are also committed to giving back. HelloFresh donated over 4 million meals to charity in 2020 and is continuing to step up their food donations amid the coronavirus crisis, which is amazing. I have to admit, my favorite thing about HelloFresh is that it cuts out stressful meal planning and prepping. I have 2 toddlers, and this has saved me so much time. You can enjoy cooking and get dinner on the table in just 30 minutes or even 20 minutes with their quick and easy options. Alrighty guys, here is the finished product. Hopefully you guys can see how good this looks. I had my husband here helping me throughout the whole process. What'd you think, babe, about the whole cooking?
Well, it was a great experience. I thought that HelloFresh did an amazing job with the instructions. They were very nice, clear, cut to the point. They even had measurements and the time to cook everything in. So that just made the process go that much smoother. So I give a really big props to them with their instruction.
So we're gonna go ahead and do a taste test. Are you ready?
Wow, that sauce is good. Very high quality flavors.
I feel like this is one of the best pasta dishes we've made, because we tried following regular YouTubers dishes, and I don't know, they don't come out as good. Go to HelloFresh.com and use code KathyEats10 to receive 10 free meals plus free shipping. I will have everything down below in the description box so you can start receiving your free meal. Okay, you guys, as you can tell, today we are going to be having some Wingstop. We have some hot wings, barbecue wings, Parmesan fries, and some buffalo ranch fries. I'm gonna go ahead and get started because this looks so freaking good. And you guys know that when I have Wingstop, I can't even talk. So let's go ahead and just cut to the chase and start eating. Go ahead and grab a snack, get some lunch. If you did not eat today, please pause the video and grab something, no matter if it's big or small, everything counts. Get your favorite food and eat with me today. I'm going to start off with the hot wings, and I actually got all flats, so this is going to be so damn good. But flats are literally my favorite. You guys, if you've been here, you already know that. So let's start off with my favorite, the hot wings. Looks so freaking delicious. So freaking good. Wingstop does it every single time. I just cannot. And especially I have all flats in front of me. You guys know that I am in heaven right now. Some barbecue. This is literally the best thing ever. Wingstop just has a special place in my heart. They stay snapping. Their flavors are always great. They are just so freaking delicious. I'm going to go with the buffalo fries, buffalo ranch fries. Yeah, let me see. So freaking good. These are amazing. Ooh. You guys, if you're into ASMR, this is gonna be your type of video because I literally cannot talk at all. I don't know how you can have Wingstop and like have a full-on conversation because this thing is so freaking delicious that all I want to do is eat. Jesus. You guys ever have one of those foods where you just cannot like stop and have like a conversation? Because Wingstop does it for me, like, for sure. Alrighty, let me move on. Yum. Oof, so freaking good. Ooh. Okay, let's have some Parmesan fries. For those of you who still order the large ranch, do you guys still get that tub that they used to give, like the little container filled with ranch? Because every time I order a large, they just give me the singles now. They gave me like 6 little singles of ranch. I don't know if they took it out or what, but I used to love that thing. They give you like so much. You guys seen like when I used to do my previous mukbangs, they would give you so much in the container, and now they give you like the little single ones. Let me know if you guys still get it if you order the large ranch. Alrighty, last one. Everything was so damn good. Wingstop stays snapping from their ranch to their wings to their fries. They always make it perfect every single time. I hope you guys ate with me today. If you did, let me know what it was down below in the comment box. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Leave me any suggestions down below in the comment box, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Bye, guys.